The Iraqi Dinar Revaluation, a new financial era begins, April 2025, a global turning point. In April 2025, a monumental shift occurred in the world of finance. The Iraqi dinar officially revalued. This long-anticipated financial move has not only captured headlines, but is set to transform Iraq's place on the global economic stage. More than just a local monetary change, this revaluation signals a deep realignment in global financial structures, impacting everything from international trade to regional political dynamics. The announcement has sent waves through the investment world and prompted strategic responses from global powers, most notably the United States. This article breaks down the full impact of the dinar revaluation, explores the deals and reforms leading up to this moment, and analyzes what it means for investors, the Iraqi people, and the global economy at large. With thorough research, storytelling, and trending keywords to attract a wide audience, this comprehensive piece aims to not just inform, but inspire. Chapter 1: The Long Road to Revaluation. For years, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, IIQD, has been a topic of speculation and hope among investors and Iraqi citizens alike. Following the 2003 invasion of Iraq and subsequent economic instability, the dinar saw a sharp devaluation, placing it far from its historical value. But behind the scenes, Iraq has been steadily laying the groundwork for a financial comeback. Over the past decade, several reforms have taken place: political stabilization, the establishment of a more stable and inclusive government, anti-corruption efforts, stronger legal frameworks, and international oversight. Infrastructure development, roads, ports, and digital infrastructure upgrades, banking modernization, central bank reforms, and a push toward digital finance. These changes signaled Iraq's intent to return to the global financial community as a reliable and strategic partner. Chapter 2: April 2025, the official revaluation announcement. On April 1, 2025, the Central Bank of Iraq, backed by the Ministry of Finance and endorsed by global institutions like the IMF and World Bank, officially announced the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. Key highlights of the announcement included a significant increase in the dinar's exchange rate against major currencies like the USD and EUR. Introduction of the digital dinar, supported by blockchain-based infrastructure. New regulations aligning Iraq with international financial compliance standards. This marked the end of speculation and the beginning of a new era. Chapter 3: Why Now? Strategic Timing and Global Conditions. Several factors made April 2025 the perfect moment for revaluation. Stabilized oil prices. Iraq's economy, heavily reliant on oil, benefited from consistent oil revenues. Digital transformation. Iraq successfully launched digital banking platforms and mobile financial services. Geopolitical positioning. Iraq's improved relations with both the West and its regional neighbors created a favorable diplomatic climate. International agreements. Iraq signed multiple global trade, oil, and technology deals, building confidence in its financial future. These components formed the perfect storm for a credible, lasting revaluation. Chapter 4: Global reaction and U.S. involvement. The United States played a pivotal role in supporting Iraq's journey toward financial autonomy. U.S. strategic responses included expanding trade relationships, especially in energy and defense, encouraging American corporations to invest in Iraq's growing markets, providing technical support for Iraq's central bank digital transformation. American economists are optimistic. Some suggest the RV could help combat U.S. inflation, improve global dollar liquidity, and enhance bilateral economic cooperation. Chapter 5: The Digital Dinar Revolution. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Iraq's revaluation is the digital dinar. This blockchain-based digital currency is designed to increase transparency, reduce dependence on the U.S. dollar, attract foreign direct investment, The central bank has partnered with leading fintech companies to roll out digital wallets, real-time transaction systems, secure international transfer mechanisms. This digital leap places Iraq alongside modern financial leaders and signals long-term innovation. Chapter 6. Impact on Iraqi citizens. The RV has brought real change to the lives of everyday Iraqis. Key improvements include stronger purchasing power. Iraqis can now afford more goods and services with their local currency. Financial inclusion. Rural communities now have access to digital banking tools. Increased savings and investment opportunities. Banks are rolling out new consumer-friendly programs. These transformations are not just economic, they are cultural. For the first time in decades, hope and opportunity are on the rise. Chapter 7. Investor sentiment and market movement. For years, IQD holders worldwide waited anxiously for this moment. Now, the revaluation has made significant waves in foreign exchange markets, increased demand for the IQD. Retirement portfolios. Many long-term investors are seeing real returns. Real estate and infrastructure surge in investment interest from both Iraqi diaspora and foreign capital. But with opportunity comes caution. Financial advisors urge investors to diversify their assets, watch for short-term volatility, stay updated on Iraq's evolving regulatory landscape. Chapter 8. Regional ripple effects. A new Middle East? Iraq's financial transformation is setting an example for the region. Neighboring countries are now considering currency reforms, digital banking infrastructure, trade realignments. This could lead to a wave of modernization across the Middle East, promoting greater regional cooperation and economic prosperity. Iraq's success may be the spark that ignites a regional economic renaissance. Chapter 9. Challenges. Ahead, despite the optimism, Iraq's journey isn't without challenges. Cybersecurity. The move to digital finance demands robust protections. Inflation management. Post-RV pricing must remain controlled. Policy enforcement. Anti-corruption efforts must continue with international oversight. But with transparency, public support, and education campaigns, Iraq is better positioned than ever to tackle these challenges. Chapter 10. What it all means and what comes next. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is not an endpoint. It's the beginning of a powerful new narrative for Iraq and the global financial system. For Iraq, it's a rebirth as a sovereign financial player, a transition to a modern, inclusive economy, a symbol of resilience and long-term vision. For the world, a recalibration of global economic alliances, new investment opportunities, greater regional stability. Conclusion, a call to action. The Iraqi dinar's revaluation is more than a headline, it's a movement. As the world watches Iraq's rise, you have a front-row seat to history. Whether you're an investor, a financial analyst, or a curious observer, this moment is yours to witness, analyze, and learn from. If this transformation inspires you, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay informed. The next chapter in global finance is being written now, and you're part of it.